Want a thick, fluffy pan pizza with a crispy bottom without using an oven? This is exactly how you make it on a simple stove. Welcome to Cooking on the Square Meter. I'm Ma, and I cook in our camper van. This is not a thin pizza. This is a thick, soft pan pizza with a crispy base. Think classic pan pizza, but made in a skillet. What you need: pepper, oil, salt, water, cheese, tomato sauce, self-rising flour, onion, garlic, and fresh herbs. Make the dough. The amount of flour depends on your pan size. I'm using 125 grams. Add a pinch of salt, not too much. The cheese is already salty. Mix it. Add a little water and mix. Then a bit more until it comes together. Finish with a small splash of oil. Knead briefly. If it's sticky, just add a little more flour. Don't overwork it. Shape it into a ball and tighten it slightly. Let it rest for about a minute. Prepare the pan. Add a generous amount of oil. This works best in a cast iron skillet. Coat the sides well. Place the dough in the pan and press it out until the bottom is fully covered. Set it aside and cover it with a cloth. Make the sauce. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic. I'm using tomato fritto as a base. Add the garlic and mix. Chop fresh basil and stir it in. Add salt and pepper. Slice the onion very thin, otherwise it won't cook through. You could pre-cook it, but hey, it's vacation. Cooking. Heat the pan on high. Wait until the oil starts to sizzle. Then lower the heat slightly, but keep it sizzling. Cover the pan so the dough cooks and rises a bit. No lid, just improvise. Take a moment, enjoy the view. Check the bottom. Golden and crispy. Perfect. Flip it. Toppings. Spread the sauce on top. Add cheese. Add onion. Okay, a little more cheese. That keeps everything nicely covered. Cover again so the cheese melts. Done. And that's it. Thick, soft, crispy, and full of flavor. Ready in about 15 minutes, including prep. Serve it straight from the pan. Less dishes. See you in the next video. Ma.